Hey everyone, Miss Grimm here with this week's virtual reading lesson. This week we will be learning about facts and details. So, as I said this week, I will learn about facts and details. And that ties into what we usually use in a week, our I can statements. So, this week I can recall facts and details, or I can tell what a fact is and provide details. So in order to learn about facts and details, we need to know what those things are. Well, what are facts? Okay, facts are bits of information that can be proven, and details are the small pieces of information that make those facts clear. So, for example, what is the girl pointing to? And I'm going to move our screen just a little bit so you can see the picture there. Okay, so what is the girl pointing to? Well, she's pointing to a flower, okay? That's a fact. And what are the parts of a flower? Well, you know what the parts of a flower are because we've covered these in science. They are leaves, petals, and stem. Those are details. Those give details to the facts, okay? Another example, ants are social insects that live together in a colony. That is our fact, okay? We know this because it has been researched and it has been proven, okay? So details that support the facts that we provide. Details are ants need each other to build nests. Ants need each other to gather food, and ants need each other to protect themselves. Whenever you see ants around on the ground, do you see them traveling in a line? A lot of times we do. We see them traveling together in a line. Sometimes there's a couple that might have gone astray, but for the most part, they travel together because they need each other to survive. So I know that this fact is true and supported by these details. So now it's practice time, okay? I want you to listen to me read the story on the next slide. After I read the story, we will try to figure out some facts and details from the story, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Michael's vacation. On Friday, Michael and his father will leave for vacation. They will drive the family car to Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore is in South Dakota. It is a mountain with the faces of 4 American presidents carved into it. Michael and his father will camp nearby. They will have so much fun. Okay, so which are facts from the story? I've got 4 examples here, and some of them are facts. Okay, what can we prove true? Okay, Mount Rushmore is in South Dakota. Michael and his father will have fun. Mount Rushmore has the faces of 4 American presidents carved into it. And Michael and his father will go on vacation. Well, let's see if you figured out which ones are the facts. Okay, think about it for just a second and check to see if you're right. So we know from the story, Mount Rushmore is in South Dakota. That's a fact. If we looked at a map, we could find South Dakota on a map. We could find Mount Rushmore pinpointed in that map. Mount Rushmore has the faces of 4 American presidents carved into it. I can look up Mount Rushmore on my computer and I can see that Mount Rushmore has 4 American presidents' faces on it. And Michael and his father will go on vacation. We know that they're going on vacation. Now, the one that is not a fact is Michael and his father will have fun. While they hope to have fun, there might be some trouble. They might have a flat tire, or it might rain on them the whole time, and they might not always enjoy the trip, okay? So that cannot be proven by research saying that they will have fun. The other facts can be proven. I can show you evidence that they are real, okay? So what are details from the story? So we had our facts and now we need our details, okay? So Michael and his father will fly. Well, did it say he was going to fly? No. It said that Michael and his father will camp. Michael and his father will drive, and Mount Rushmore is in South Dakota. Those are details. So I know that those support my facts, okay? So now to your assignment for the week, okay? This one's going to be so much fun, and I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with, okay? So I want you to pick an animal, and you're going to draw a picture of the animal. List 3 facts about each animal, okay? For each fact, sorry, that should be list 3 facts about that animal, okay? Because you're only drawing one animal. Sorry, that was a typo. For each fact, also write a detail, okay? Something that supports that fact. In the end, you will have 3 facts and 3 details. So you're going to have a fact and a detail that pairs up with that fact. Then you're going to have another fact and another detail that pairs up with it, okay? You may complete this on Google Classroom or on paper and send a picture of the assignment to me, okay? So if you take a picture, you can put it up on Google Classroom, or your grown-ups can send it to me so I can count it as correct, because it's going to be right, because you guys are awesome. So if you all have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have your grown-ups contact me, and I am more than happy to help you guys however you need me to. Until next week, I will see you later. Bye.